Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time! I have some letters to post at my newly built Lego Friends post office. Let's take a tour. Here is my post office and we've got a little lamp here at the front and two post boxes, different colours. One can be snail mail, one can be express post. And I have decorated it with those filigree arches again, and I've popped more arches up the top to add some height and to let some light inside. These stickers are from an old set from the Lego shop, so that's why I thought, we'll build a post office to use them up. So this is sitting on just a 16 by 16 stud base plate, and the building is 10 to 11 studs deep. I did this to save on bricks because I'm running low on bricks. And now here's the inside of the post office. We have some world clocks there on the wall, and we've got a big parcel sitting on a scale here. Lots of stamps and letters. We've got a little cash register there, and lots of magazines and pamphlets and little things to buy. There's even some Ninjago news down here, and this fell out before, let's be friends, so I'll pop that up there. And Julian, he is actually working here, he's holding a stamp, and I thought he'd be the best person to work here at my post office. Let's turn it around because we are going to be putting up level 2, and this is what it looks like. I've continued arches on the top, and I've alternated the blue and clear windows. I've done slopes here just to add some extra texture and definition, just to break up the walls not being white, and just added more slopes there at the front to make it look more fancy. Now inside, we will be fitting this out as an office, so I've got some poster notes there on the wall and little lamps there on the wall hanging down also. Here is a little desk with a computer on it, and I've popped these black studs on the bottom to make it look like feet. So that's going to go here in the corner. Okay, so next we need a printer. So another table, the same as the last one with the little black studded feet, but I've made this little printer because we will be printing lots of paperwork, as this is the office for the post office. There we go, that's fitted nicely. We also need a little bin, and there's already some scrunched up paper in there. That's going next to the printer. And now an office chair, very simple design, but it swivels round. And now a filing cabinet. So we got a 3-drawer filing cabinet and a radio because, you know, you want to be listening to some tunes when you're working away at the computer. This is Peter, Olivia's original dad. He is working here at the post office. He's the manager. And now let's pop this up on top here. So I've made this like a modular build, so you can remove this floor, so it's a lot easier to play with. Oh my goodness, that is looking so nice. And over here we've got a window on the side, and on the other side I've done the same too. Just pop some flower pots up there also. Level 3, and I've done the arches the same as on the second floor, and I've just added some masonry bricks and some more textured bricks just to add more features to the front of the build. No windows here on the side, and I've added a little sink here because this is going to be like the lunchroom. So they've got some bookshelves happening there, more stamps, and we need a couch. I needed to put in a hot pink couch to add some colour into this build. It was looking too plain for me. We have a little flower pot here, and that's going to fit snugly in the corner. There we go. And we have a toaster and a coffee machine because they need to relax and have a cup of tea or coffee next to this coffee table with lots of mail on here, and it says JoJo on the mail. Wish it said JoJo's Brick Time, but anyway, pop it next to the couch there. We have another little box going in, a little mug here by the coffee table and couch, and more letters. Let's pop this up here, level 3. I love building my modulars 3-story. It's just something about the symmetry and architecture of a 3-story building. Take a look at this. I'm busy posting some mail at my new post office. Peter's busy checking all the emails while my cat plays on the printer. Peter and Julian are having a lunch break because it's hard work licking stamps. Here's the Lego Friends Main Street, and I thought let's pop this building next to it because it's the perfect fit for it, the size I made. My building is very, very detailed compared to this modernised one next to it. I think I'm going to have to renovate the other ones. I feel they need a bit of a roof line at the top now, putting my building next to it. My custom Lego Friends post office. Well, it's not an exciting building, you know, it's just a post office, but every city needs one, and we need office space also for all of my mini dolls to go to work and earn some bricks to build houses and go out with. So I hope you've enjoyed my video of how I built my post office, and maybe you can get some ideas on how you can build one. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative.